Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today I'm going to show you how to roast a duck perfectly in the oven. So the first step is crucial, guys. If you have purchased your duck frozen, make sure you thaw it in the refrigerator. Before you cook it, you need to bring it to room temperature. Second step, pat dry the skin of the duck with a paper towel to remove excess moisture. Moisture is the enemy when it comes to crispy skin. We want this duck skin crispy and render. So guys, let's get started. So here I have 4.5 pounds of whole duck, and also we have potatoes, which we are going to make duck fat potatoes. Season the duck with salt, black pepper, and paprika. Make sure you season the cavity, flip it over, and season it really well. Preheat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the duck on a rack in a roasting pan, breast down, and roast it for 15 minutes. Then we're gonna reduce the temperature to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Then flip the duck and continue to roast the duck for 1 hour 45 minutes. While the duck is roasting, we're gonna go ahead and work on our potatoes. Cut the potatoes into small chunks and add them to a medium saucepan. Add water to cover the potatoes and cook for 20 minutes or until fork tender. Drain the potatoes, then slightly move the coriander to create the fluffy texture so that when we roast these potatoes, they become crispy. Remove the duck from the roasting pan, then add the potatoes. I forgot to mention that after draining the potatoes, allow them to cool slightly before you roast them. We're gonna put back the duck, then continue to roast the duck and the potatoes for 30 minutes until the duck reaches internal temperature of 165 degrees and the potatoes are golden brown and crispy. Place the duck on a cutting board, cover with the foil, and allow it to rest for 15 minutes before you serve it. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.